So guys, for the first method, you could just do a simple restart of your computer. So you can click on the power button and then click on restart, which will then restart your computer. You can try that. If that's still not working, for the second method, you want to click on the icon right here, accessibility. Make sure that you have sticky keys turned off and filter keys also turned off. Then you want to enable on-screen keyboard. Now, if you had to type in your password, you want to click right here and then type in your password through here. And then you could try sign in through that way. See if that works. For the third method, we're going to click on the power button. Now we're going to find restart. You want to hold shift on your keyboard and then click on restart. Keep on holding on shift. So restart your computer, keep on holding on shift. Make sure that you're holding it. Now if you kept on holding on shift, it will then take you into this screen. And now once we're here, we have another 3 things that we can try. So for the first thing, you want to click on continue and exit to Windows. It's then going to take you back into Windows. See if it lets you log in now. If that's still not working, then you want to come back to this screen like I just showed you how to do by holding on shift and then click on restart. So now once we're here, for the next method, we're going to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then system restore. If you don't see system restore, you want to click on SIEM recovery options, and it should appear right here. So we're going to click on system restore. If you have any restore points available, then you want to click on next and then go back to your restore points. If you don't, we're going to click on cancel. For the next method, you want to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then start to prepare. It's now going to start diagnosing your PC. Wait for this to load. And this will now take you back into Windows. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, you want to come back into this screen, and for the last method, we're going to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then startup settings. And then click on restart, which will now take us to here. We're going to enter safe mode with networking. So you want to click on either 5 or F5 on your keyboard. So click on 5 or F5, which will now take us to here. Now once we're here, we're just going to simply restart our computer. Wait for this to load. It's going to take us back to Windows. Now once we're here, see if you can log in again. Now hopefully one of these methods would have fixed your problem.